Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a Gypsy for complete clutch kit replacement. You can just have a look at the vehicle. The vehicle is completely in the ramp at the moment. The complete knuckle kit has been removed and complete bearings have been removed. And you can just have a look at the complete brand new clutch kit is available at the moment. So you can just check, new clutch kit is available and clutch cable is available. Brand new bidding is available and releaser bearing is also available. All are MGP parts, and we have removed the pressure plate and we are replacing the bearing at the moment. So this is a brand new bearing which is going to be installed, and you can just check, we are facing the pressure plate. So you can just have a look at the knuckle kit completely. All the full brand new MGP parts are available for this knuckle kit. Each and everything have been procured from MGP itself, OE part. So you can just have a look at the brake rotors completely, and brake pads are good, and sim is also okay. So you can just check out, these are the old parts, old clutch which has been going to be replaced, and pressure plate, and we are going to do a greasing on the star joints also. And this is a half header which has been removed. So you can just check, the pressure plate is completely removed and we are adding the brand new bearing in that at the moment. So this is the gearbox, and this is the old releaser bearing which is going to be replaced, and we are cleaning the gearbox completely. So you can just check right now, the pressure plate is completely fitted, and you can just check right now, the Thar gearbox is completely removed in GT. You can just check out, there was a problem with the gears. The gearbox is completely disassembled at the moment. So stay tuned and watch our channel. We'll be providing you more and more updates on this, both the vehicles. Right now the work is going on with the Gypsy King. We are professionals of 4x4, working on all petrol and diesel 4-wheel drives. We service them both. We are a multi-brand workshop now, so we undertake all kinds of petrol and diesel cars. So you can just have a look at the complete discs. Both the wheels have been removed at the moment. Hub greasing is going to be done, and knuckle kit is going to be added, brand new one, both the sides. So right now you can just check, complete parts are going to be cleaned with the diesel, and everything is going to be cleaned and refitted. And you can just check out the bearings which are in good condition at the moment. So everything is getting cleaned. And also right now the back hub would also be checked on the vehicle, and the liners also will be checked completely, and back differential also will be checked. So all things will be done at Jeepzone Bangalore itself. For more details, you can just WhatsApp us on a WhatsApp number 9886679617. We are professionals of working in 4x4 itself. So please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.